feel the need for speed.
Chargers.
Hey guys, I'm Jordan.
I'm Quintin.
And this is Twin Challenge. Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with the Hot Wheels Speed Chargers.
Hot Wheels leading the way.
Okay, so let's look at the front of the box. Okay, so we got the logo here, the Hot Wheels logo, and we got the speed chargers right here. I like the way that they positioned the lightning bolt, so it would finish the ease up right there.
Split down.
It says ages 5 and up right here. It says electrical powered vehicle. Wait, it goes 300 plus miles, scales speed. I have no idea what that means.
Sounds fast.
Yeah, it does sound fast. All electric
Endurance race.
Thank you. It looks like they're like going super duper fast, like they leave a little trail behind them. That's how fast it looks like they're going on the back. They have the loop-de-loops. That's the part I am wanting to see. I've never seen a car going a loop-de-loop, and that's probably because they can't go as fast as these cars. Now we can look at the back right here. Same thing up here. We got the Hot Wheels logo, and we got the Speed Chargers title. Quintin, do you want to do the honors of reading this?
Sure. Hit the track with the Circuit Speedway. Set the lap counter, charge up your engines, and turn them loose for a flat-out stunt-filled race. Use strategy to time your pit stops and recharge.
Ooh.
The first car to complete all the laps wins.
Ooh.
Can't wait.
Okay, so we got like the collect them all cars down here. Wait, we got the gravity defied loop. Wow, that name sounds really promising. All right, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna open this part right here.
Open it wrong.
No, I didn't open it wrong. It's just that part's hold the box! Hold the box, man! Hold the box!
Ah, nice. There's your car. Here's mine.
Yeah. Has the little batteries on it.
Metal on the bottom.
Ooh, I have no idea what this thing is.
It's a cool piece.
That makes sense, Hot Wheels.
That makes so much sense.
Okay.
Hot Wheels.
Oh, here's the instructions. This thing requires 9 AA batteries. That's crazy. All right, guys, we had to get a different table because that other table was just way too small. And this track was way too big. But now we got a different table, and now we can actually build this track. So let's do it. Alright guys, we finally got this thing built. Now we're able to play with it. So when we put the batteries in, we had our cars in here, and my car just plain started running. It was crazy to put everything together because we got all the pieces wrong and we had to keep taking them off and putting other pieces back on. Alright guys, we're doing 2 rounds. The winner of each round will get a prize.
The winner of round 1 will get the twinduction car.
And then the winner of the second round will get an exclusive car, the ePrototype H24.
And it has its own charger.
It actually does come with its own charger.
Alright guys, there's 3 lap modes on the Circuit Speedway. 33 laps, 66 laps, and 99 laps. What we're gonna do on the 33 lap mode is we're gonna do a practice lap.
A practice lap? Not doing 1 lap, doing 33.
Round 1 is gonna be our 66th lap. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this race started.
Get this race started!
Lead the way!
Let's do this. 33 laps. Okay, so let's turn this thing on.
Go! Alright, so what we had to do was, mine wasn't working, so we had to change the battery. But now it looks like it's working pretty good. But these things are really loud.
Yeah,
they're revving like rockets.
3, 2, 1. Ready?
Go.
Oh my god!
Oh, yours is catching up.
Mine is catching up.
Oh!
Quintin fell off.
Where'd it go? Oh, that's it. Use the red 22. Oh,
You can't charge it too fast or else it's gonna mess up. I win!
whoa! Oh, that's so cool. Ah, let's keep racing him. I still need to finish the race, bro.
I turned it off already.
Let's turn it up.
Because you already lost.
Wait, so looks like Jordan won.
Okay, that was the practice race, so we don't win anything from this race. It looks like they're still charging up. And let's get ready for round 1. 66 laps. You ready for this, guys? Let's do this, guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh!
Mine's trying to get you. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Ah! Oh, yours is done 9.
These things are so fast! Look, Quintin fell over because of how fast his was. I'm at 28 laps, guys.
Warping speed!
Guys, I'm like a pro at this. I'm like a pro at this, guys.
37, 38, 39, 40.
I already have 40 laps, guys. I have 40 laps already. Look at Quintin's, guys.
It did a front flip. Yes! Woo! Too fast. Mine's going too fast. That's the problem.
Now it's going too slow.
Oh!
Yours can't catch up. Mine is already at 52.
Oh no!
I hit yours off. Mine hit yours
Mine's
off.
falling off.
Oh my gosh! Mine is off. Quintin, you messed mine up. No, you're the 57.
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
60.
Oh! Mine fell off and then all of a sudden kept going. Oh! 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 Wow! Ah!
Okay, it fell.
It fell like right there.
All right, guys, so that's
Right there.
63. 66. So I'm gonna unbox this first. It has the Hot Wheels logo on it, and then it has the name on the front, the speed chargers. Same as the box, it had the electric on it. So now I'm gonna unbox this thing. It has a purple car on it right there. I like that. It's pretty cool.
I wish that was an actual car.
Maybe it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna be using this car this time. Whoa, feels way quieter now because the things were turned off. Okay, so I'm gonna put my car in.
And I'm still gonna use the orange one.
It's charging up, guys. It actually worked. It actually is working. So this one's gonna stay right there. So as it's charging up, we're gonna turn it to 66 laps. I got 99 laps. 99, and then the person wins the.
ePrototype H24.
Okay, so ready?
I'll press it.
3, 2, 1, start.
Oh! Oh, it's gonna fall off! Oh! Did you see that? Excellent comeback. It did a backflip and still kept going.
Yeah, this car is way slower than my other one. I have no idea. I have no idea why I'm pressing down on this thing. I'm just doing it because it feels right. Feels right.
No, mine's just going too fast.
Oh, flips right over.
22.
I have 21.
I have 23.
I have 23.
25. 26.
24.
27.
25.
Oh, watch the cars, watch the cars. did a front flip.
Mine is losing out here. Come on.
Mine's still winning.
Pit stop.
You're switching the car?
Yes.
Awesome, I guess.
Okay. Let's do this. This white car is catching up.
That white one charges up faster.
Okay, I'm on 40, guys,
I can't
but he's
see
at
you,
50. So my guy needs to catch up pretty fast now.
Oh! No! 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 No!
Yes! Mine is catching up! Ah! You can't use that! You cheater!
No!
You cheater!
You're the one who's
He
a cheater!
cheated!
You're the one who switched the car!
No, I didn't cheat! I used the pit stop!
No, you didn't! It's not like I had another car to use.
Then you could use this one.
No!
This one goes way slower though, so.
Exactly! I don't want it!
Come on! You can do it!
That's cheat! No! No! What are you doing? What are you doing? No! You're driving on his! No! No! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
You
Yes!
Yes, I'm winning! Stop! It only works with the cars.
Keep going!
Yes, I win!
No!
So I'm gonna unbox this one. Same thing. It has the logo and the speed charger right here. It has the purple car in the front, and it's ePrototype H24.
H24.
Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this thing while those things are charging up. So let me take this off. Okay, well it needs 3 AA batteries for this charger. It's basically the same as this set, except it's just the charger and the car, not the whole entire big set. Alright guys, thank you for joining us for our Hot Wheels Speed Chargers toy review. And I hope you can join us next time for our next challenge. Like, comment, and subscribe.
We're out.
My precious, my precious.
Dude, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Great, because I just got this new Hatchimals. Let's open it.